choker on video, and we'll pick a good one out of the video. Does that work? Yeah. Okay.
Our next two
Chicken chokers. All right. There. Honorary chicken choker.
All right, let's have fun. Speech. Choke. And chicken.
Yeah. Don't think you can't be a chicken choker just because you're a girl. We have girl members on the team.
Chicken choker number 84. The power invested in me, I hereby officially award you Chicken Choker Award number 84. Welcome to the lowest point of your life. Your family will be so proud. Very proudly.
Thank you.
Him.
Fuck him.
Didn't you know, but
This was the best day in my life. I mean, since I was a kid, I always wanted to get this patch. I read about it in the New York Times, and I decided that I'm going to move to America, and maybe one day I will be able to get this award.
Well, there you go. Another dream come true.
Exactly.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations, condolences, whatever.